I'm doing some office stuff. I have to go through and clear out some video raw. Oh, there's Skippy. Dana is flying the drone in the backyard right now. We're gonna go to a waterfall that he claims is in the middle of the forest later because we hiked yesterday and it felt so good. So good. Oh, what's happening? Just a ton of snow just fell. I was worried that Skippy hit the tree. It's like falling from the tops of the trees. I really hope that wasn't caused by Skippy.
Hey there. So, we got about 6 inches of snow last night. I'm tired of being cooped up. I haven't flown the drone in forever. So I launched this morning, got a few quick shots off. But the snow is sticking to the trees today in a way that is
beautiful.
Amazing. So,
and it's officially winter now too.
And since it's officially winter,
yeah,
I thought that it would be fun to do a winter hike and throw in some drone photography at the same time. So strap on your boots and let's go.
We hiked yesterday and it was very refreshing and wonderful. And he wanted to fly so bad, but with it being the solstice and having the shortest day, we weren't able to. But he has some pretty cool stuff planned, so keep watching. Okay, we're parked on the side of the road. Dana is going to launch the drone from the road, obviously for pavement and, you know, a little bit more level terrain to safely launch it. I would like to go on a little trip to this waterfall or creek or whatever you want to call it and get a different perspective of him flying towards me. So I'm going to make the trek over there and see where we land. What do you think?
We're gonna meander through here. This is not a trail, so...
No.
But I think it belongs to the power company, which is okay. I don't see any private property signs, so I don't think we're trespassing.
No, me neither.
But I'm gonna try and kind of walk through this way and see if we can come back around the other side. The important thing is it all looks alike right now, so what's really cool though is with the freshly fallen snow, we can kind of follow our prints to get back to the car, so.
Well, I mean, you could see the road in the creek. I don't think we'd get lost. You're gonna try to cross it? Sweetie, be very careful. You look pretty intense right now, babe.
A lot of work right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be the spotter, huh? Bye, Skippy, good luck.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in for this winter flight. Couple of things to keep in mind when you're flying in a place like this, especially with a DJI drone. It's a great idea to have a spotter. There's a lot of obstacles in here, a lot of snow falling, a lot of just dangerous things for a drone. So having that spotter puts my mind at ease when I'm flying over. A couple of other things, the trees have a lot of snow on them, so not really worried about hitting a tree, but I am worried about snow falling and hitting the props on the drone. So I want to be real careful when I'm flying around the trees or near the trees. Another thing, my wife got me these really cool filters, ND filters for the drone for Christmas. I totally noticed the difference against the white background. It really brought out a bunch of the colors, and I hope you can see it too when we actually get this edited and filmed up. So I'm gonna pack up, get back to the vehicle and go find another spot. But thanks for coming along. Please hit like and subscribe and smash the bell for notifications.
Until the next adventure. Cheers.